Do you like my new string? No. Rice!
Ooh boy, a rice cake?
No, a single grain of rice. Pencil, coiny, fries, politely.
You don't have to rub it in, you know.
All hail the super van! All hail the super van! What are you? All hail the super van!
Then spin the wheel to choose the next contest.
Okay.
Você, eu gosto de esplêndido. 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 Você, eu gosto de esplêndido.
I made him.
Ah, canijote, está todo nublado, mano.
Head stop!
Prize is out!
What? Ah, what was that? Who got him out?
Hi guys, I finally got prize trinket. I harnessed the power of the store. Pretty cool, right?
What did you do?
What?
Oh, you know, static electricity and stuff. Here, just watch. Boop, boop, doop, beep, beep, bop, beep, bop. Beep, beep, bop, beep, bop.
No! We've done too much damage!
Ah, what do we do?
Tag him out before he tags you!
No! I think it's too late. I think we're doomed. Oh, I'm not worried. While everyone else was busy searching, I built a protective layer around my obelisk. With tungsten barriers for protection and tempered glass for easy surveillance, there's no way anyone will...
Don't worry, Scout. He can't.
Looks like a few changes carried over.
Few changes.
Eu queria mudar, eu queria mudar.